Good afternoon, sir.
We are doing what do you call that, potential and all, then potential dipole and all. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to finish the capacitors and dielectrics and correlation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody joined. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screen visible now to everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll finish the capacitance part and we'll come back to dielectrics and correlation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
coming to what is meant by capacity, capacitance, and all means. Normally what happens, what is the capacity means? The ability to hold anything. For example, if you are talking about if you take a glass, then the glass is having a maybe it what you call a cylindrical shape. It is written 1 liter. What is that meaning by 1 liter? It can hold any liquid of capacity how much? 1000 milliliter, or simply called as 1 liter capacity. That means what is capacity? Ability to hold. Again, this one object level liquid. Similarly, then what is coming to a conductor? If a charge is given to a conductor, it will take the charge. That means if it's plus charge means remove the electron, minus charge means it will become, add the electrons, it will become negatively charged. That means capacitance or capacity is simply called as the ability to hold something. Regarding a conductor, we can say that it represents what you call the charge holding ability or capacity of a conductor is called capacitance. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is meant by capacitance? Means it is nothing but what you call the charge holding ability. So charge holding capacity is called capacitance. Okay. Hello. It is simply
Yes, sir.
the charge holding ability or capacity. Now, if you observe, for example, if you know we are well aware of what you call a spherical conductor. A spherical conductor of what you call radius r is there. It is given a charge, let us say plus q. Then initially charge is zero. Initially charge is zero, potential also zero. Now given a charge q, potential is raised to a value kq by r. That means q increases, correspondingly potential also what happens? Increases. Na? The
Yes.
more is the charge, more is the ability to do the work. That's all. So we can say that q increasing, automatically potential also increases. Then q is proportional to v. Q equal to some constant that is called c into v. C is called how much?
Q by V.
So C is called
Capacity by
capacitance of the
conductor.
conductor. So it is only the relation between Q by V ratio is only just like in a lower class we study Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, R is V by A. Only ratio of like here also, C does not depend on Q, does not depend on how much V. It is just simply ratio of Q by V. More is the charge, more is the potential. Less is the charge, less is. But the ratio of a given conductor remains constant. For a given conductor, C is fixed. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So on what factor C? C will depend on the charge on the conductor? No. Will it depend on the potential of the conductor? No. It depends on only two factors. Only what you call the medium, and the other factor is called as the size of the conductor. We'll see that in the later things. Got it, Nana? So will C is dependent on Q and V or independent of Q and V?
Dependent.
Independent of Q and V.
Independent of Q and V. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done this one, everybody?
So 1 minute.
Yes.
Done, everybody?
So
Now?
C depends on the medium, and what's the second factor?
The dimensions of the conductor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I have taken a spherical conductor. Let us say of radius r holding a charge q. Then its potential is, what is the formula of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r only? Na? This implies q equal to 4 pi epsilon naught r into v. Na? Compare this one with q equal to cv. Na?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, capacity of a spherical capacitor is 4 pi epsilon naught into r only. Na?
Yes, sir.
So epsilon naught the surrounding medium, r is the radius of more is the radius, more is the capacity.
Yes, sir.
For Earth, the radius is 6,381 kilometer. Then C is equal to, if you calculate 709 microfarad. So C is Q by V, charge Coulomb by potential difference volt. This is called farad. Coulomb per volt. Got it, Nana? Earth is almost like a sphere of radius 6,400 or 6,381. If you take a radius of Earth 6,400 kilometer, then capacity of Earth will be 711 microfarad. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is a scalar quantity. Hello, got it, Nana?
Got it, sir.
Yes.
So could you show the first page once?
So it is only the ratio of Q and V. It is either not depend on Q or neither Q or nor V. Done, everybody. This page.
Done, sir.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Done, everybody.
1 minute.
1 minute.
They will use a symbol. This one. This is means the symbol means
Grounded.
connected to Earth. Earth is a huge reservoir of charges. Now, whatever the charges you give it, it will take. You give it, it will absorb. So it's as potential is 0. C is Q by V becomes how much?
Infinity.
That means any conductor is connected to ground or its potential is 0 means its capacity is how much? Infinite. It can absorb infinite amount of charge.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, how to increase the capacity of a conductor? You are saying, sir, it does not depend on Q and V. Then how to increase the capacity of conductor? Means normally the thing is in the spherical capacitor we derived what I call a sphere is there having a radius r. Then capacity 4 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, surrounding medium is air. Okay. Then radius is r. If r is increasing radius of the conductor, the speed keep on capacity increases now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you can say that if capacitance is increasing, then obviously what happens? So it is the ability to hold the charge will increase. But how long, how far will increase the radius? It is meaningless because keep on increasing the radius. That is called it become what you call huge size. Got it? So
Yes.
that is a solution, but not amicable solution. Or it is not a good solution. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then how to increase the capacity of a conductor means one solution is there readily available for us. That is called increase the size of the conductor. As the more is the size of the conductor, suppose we are having a in our house overhead tank is there, syntax tank is used. Then two people are there. They thought, okay, two people are residing in the home. We can have some 5,000 liter capacity tank. They purchased it. That is 1,000 liter. After some more people joined in the family, it became 4 people. Then 1,000 liter capacity tank is not sufficient. Then what they done? They purchased another tank of how much? 2,000 liters. Okay. Some more people are added. Then what happens? It should be you have to increase the capacity of the tank now in order to serve for the people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But that is physically what we are doing day to day life. We are doing that one. But regarding what you call the charge holding capacity, then as a conductor size increase, that is an obstacle. We can how long, how much you will increase the capacity? What you call size of the conductor? It is meaningless. We should have optimum size, and it should efficiently store large amount of electrostatic energy. That means charge holding ability has to increase without increasing the size of the conductor. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Then for that they developed a principle that is called simply principle of capacitor. Simple logic. C is how much? Q by V. Then what you will do is by doing something lower the potential of the conductor without altering the charge on it. Then what happens? I am not disturbing already it is having some charge. Okay. Now what I will do is if I add the charge, automatically potential also increases. But I want to store more amount of charge. Capacity should increase. Then what I will do is alternatively, I will by some means I will lower the potential of the conductor. Automatically denominator is got less. Then fraction value increases. Capacity increase. This is called the technique of a capacitor. That is called principle of a capacitor. So how without increasing the size of the conductor, by some means lower the potential of the conductor. If you lower the conductor, what happens automatically? The ability to hold its potential is low. It can accommodate some more charges on it. So that is the way how to do it. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes.
For
Yes.
this, we'll take a parallel plate capacitor example. Let us say I have taken a plate A. Let us say which is positively charged. Plate. Then what I have done is, one minute, I will go here. This is plate A, which is
Positively charged.
positive. What I will bring is, I will bring another plate B, which is uncharged.
Okay.
I'll bring it very close to A. So initially B is uncharged, but when I brought very close to A, what happens? Already existing charges on A is plus, then it will induce which charges on this one? Minus. Na?
Negative charge.
Right. On the other side, which charges?
Positive charge.
Positive.
So they will, we are not adding any charge to either A or B. Already A is having some charge. Okay. Now I bought the uncharged plate B here. Then what happens? The charges on B were redistributed such that minus charge, because A is already plus, minus charge will be accommodated on what you call a nearer side of plate A, and plus charges on the farther side of plate B. Got it? Facing A. Then who is influencing here? It has its own potential. This also influencing, this also influencing. Then what is, then three people are influencing the plate A. Its own potential is there. Due to negative charge influence is there. Due to positive charge. Therefore, potential of A is original potential due to A plus potential due to negative charges plus potential of due to which charges?
Positive charge.
Right. But the negative charges are close to A or positive charges are close to A?
Negative charge.
Negative.
That means that the magnitude of B due to negative charges is dominant than the magnitude of positive charges. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then from these two conclusions, we can say that VA dash is less than VA or not.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
originally it has a potential. It has a potential how much? VA. Now its potential as became VA or more than VA or less than VA.
Less than VA.
Then what happened? Potential got decreased. Then C equal to Q by V. V got decreased. Automatically capacity got increased. Got it, Nana? This Q is same, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Has I altered charge on A or not altered?
Not
Not all.
But just brought uncharged conductor near B, near A. That total scenario got changed. Got it, Nana? Now
got it.
I want to further increase.
Yes.
Also. Then what I will do is I will take the plate A only. It is having some plus charge. Plate A. What I will do is already plate B is minus charge is there. Sorry, minus charge. Then what I will do is outer surface of the plate B is grounded. Then when plate B is initially, what are the charges on the outer surface of plate B? Plus, na?
Yes, sir.
Plus means deficiency of electrons or excess of electrons.
Efficiency.
Efficiency.
Yes, of electron.
Whenever you are connected to ground, it is grounded. Earth thinks that okay, this person, what do you call, the outer surface is connected to me. It is having plus means it is deficient of electrons. What the Earth will do, it will supply the electrons, neutralize that one. Okay. Now, how many people are available? Again, this point A means VA double dash is original potential A plus potential due to which charges?
Negative.
Negative. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then if you observe VA double dash is less than VA dash, which is less than VA. That means VA double dash is much more less than VA. Na?
Yes, sir.
Earlier VA, first case. Second case VA dash. Third case it became how much? VA
Double.
double dash.
Double
Then it is became further small. Na?
Yes, sir.
The same place capacity much more increase in the capacity. Na?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So am I changed the size of the plate here? No. Just by doing something by some influence, I will reduce the potential of A, thereby increasing the what do you call capacitance of A. Got it, Nana?
Sir, once can you repeat this point, sir?
See, what I have done is I grounded the outer surface of the base plate B. B is already having plus charge on the outer surface. Then now when I grounded it, automatically what happens is minus charges are deficient on the outer surface. Then immediately if you are connected to earth is a huge reservoir of charges, it will pump the charges to which one? Plate B, negative charges. Then already existing positive charges, Na became Na plus. I added electron, it will become neutral Na, like that. So outer surface, all the plus charges got neutralized by absorbing that many number of electrons. Who will supply here? Ground will supply. Then what happened here earlier, if you observe, the potential of A is lowered by these negative charges, enhanced by what do you call plus charges.
Yes.
The helping people got disappeared.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
VA plus helping minus opposing. Now the helping people decrease. Then VA minus opposing people only. Then that means it is original and these people are opposing. Then its potential is less than VA or not.
Yes, sir.
That is the principle. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So if you bring already charged conductor B or neutral conductor, doesn't matter, bring somebody else, then that person has to lower the what you call, he has to influence that plate A or person A, so that its potential has to reduce. Potential is reduced, capacity indirectly increase. Got it?
Sir, can you once explain how VA dash is less than VA?
Here, see here, what is there, Papa? These negative charges are very close to A, positive charges are far to A. Then my influence of these people is strong than these people, na?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Got it, Nana?
Got it, sir.
So without altering the charge on the conductor, by lowering its potential, capacity can be increased. This is called the principle of capacitor. Got it, Nana?
Got it, sir.
Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Right. Done this page?
So 1
This-
minute.
This page, this everybody done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Be quick, this one. If you done, let me know, be quick.
Done, sir.
Done, everybody?
So 1 minute. Done, sir.
Done, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, Nana? Hello? Done, everybody?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
So overall potential of A got decreased. Then its ability to conduct what you call increase.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
No. We'll go for parallel plate capacitor. Okay. What is a parallel plate capacitor? Means a normally capacitor means a combination of two or more plates, then having a same quantity of charge, but the signs are different. You see, one plate is holding plus, the other plate has to hold which one? Minus. Got it? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I have taken plate A, I have taken plate B. Then the plate A is having positive. Then plate B is having which one? Equal and opposite. This is plate B, this is plate A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So capacitor contains the charge, even though these are metal plates, when they are brought very close to each other, the charges on the outer surfaces will again come back to inside, so that no charge will exist on which surfaces? Outer surfaces. Only charge will exist on which we call inner.
Yes.
Then this person is plus sigma. This person is how much, Nana?
Minus sigma.
It has some area of cross section A, both the plates identical plates. Okay. Now outside any charge is there? No charge. Okay. Now it is like a conducting plate or non-conducting plate, sheet of charge. Charge is residing on one surface or both the surfaces?
One
One
surface.
surface.
Non-conducting type. Then what happens? It is a plus. EA will be rightwards. It is a minus one. EB also towards right only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So E outside will be 0. No, because this will be mine. They will cancel na here.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
is a minus, they cancel. Only inside. Then what is the field? Inside is as they are in the same direction. E due to A plus B. Got it? What
Yes.
is the field due to a non-conducting or infinite sheet of charge means sigma by epsilon naught or sigma by 2 epsilon naught?
Sigma by 2.
Sigma by epsilon.
Sigma by 2 epsilon. Got it? So E inside equal to sigma by
2
again don't try to minus sigma by 2 epsilon here. Minus indicates field is toward that one. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the total field?
4.
Sigma by epsilon.
Oh,
Sigma by epsilon naught only, na?
yes, sir.
Right. Now these two plates, they have some separation. That is called the separation between the plates is D. And the potential difference between the plates is, let us say, V. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then what we'll do is we know that E equal to magnitude I'm talking about dV by dr we can tell, na? Then E into dr equal to dV. Integration. E is constant because E is a number. It is does not depend on distance or anything. Here is a number. Then integral dr is r 0 to D separation. Integral V is V. Therefore, V potential difference equal to ED. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then V equal to sigma by epsilon naught into D only, ra?
Yes, sir.
One, then can I write sigma as Q by A, ra? Sigma. What is
Yes.
sigma? Charge per
Charge per
unit.
unit area.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, V equal to Q by epsilon R. You convert it like this one. It will be easy for you. This implies you write a Q equal to epsilon naught A by D into V. Na? This is in the format of Q equal to CV. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Therefore, from these two conclusions, we can say that the capacity of a parallel plate capacitor is epsilon naught A by D. Na?
Yes, sir.
That means what is the medium inside is there?
Air.
Air.
Fair.
So this is called the capacitance of a which one parallel plate capacitor. Is it depending on the charge on the plates or only the area and separation and the medium?
Area separation.
Separation medium.
That's why. Copy this. Speak with Nana.
Sir, can you show that principal once?
Which one?
Page, sir.
This page.
Yes.
So what will change? We will not keep constant. Don't disturb the charge. Only lower the potential by some influence. So capacitance. This is done.
Done, sir.
This one.
Done, sir.
Done. Done.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
1 minute. Done, sir.
Here V means potential difference, Rana. V equal to potential difference between the plates. Done this one, everybody. Hello.
1 minute, sir.
Done.
Done, Nana.
1 minute. Done, sir.
Done, Nana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, so I got the two plates of the capacitor. One is plus plate and this is minus plate. Air medium is there, separation by distance T. Area of the plate is A. Then capacitance of the air medium simply C is called as epsilon naught A by D. Na? Now, what I have done is
Yes.
I have taken the complete medium between the plates. What we have done is we filled the entire medium between the plates, like here. This is plus plate, this is minus, this is plus plate. Some medium separation is D only. Medium of permittivity epsilon. Then C of the medium, or simply called C dash, is epsilon A by D. Same area of cross section, same separation. Then what is K is called relative permeability. Epsilon by epsilon naught, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This implies epsilon is K epsilon naught, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, C of a medium, C in a medium, or completely, we have to completely fill, not a what you call small gap, also should not. So instead of air, we are pulling some oil or something like that one, or rubber, anything like that one. Then epsilon A by D will become K epsilon naught A by D. If you observe carefully, what is epsilon A by D?
C in air.
Air medium. Therefore, C when completely filled is how much?
C.
C dash equal to Kc.
Yes.
That means what I have done, not only by increasing dimensions, if we change the medium, automatically capacitance will change, na? Because here epsilon naught became changed as what do you call it? Epsilon is different with epsilon naught. So completely filled. This is called completely filling.
Yes.
Okay, you put that in completely filled. Then as K is greater than 1, C dash will be greater than C.
C.
So what should we write, sir? Completely filled.
The space between the plates is completely filled with the medium.
Okay.
Better write it on your own. The space between the plates is completely filled with a medium. Filled with the medium of permittivity epsilon.
Done, sir.
Done on everybody.
So 1 minute.
So definitely capacitance will increase.
Done, sir.
Done on everybody.
Done, sir.
Right. Done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, what I am now doing is, what happens if I don't fill the complete medium space between the plates with what you call dielectric? I'll take only a part is, for example, before going that, we'll do one thing. Suppose in between the plates of the capacitor, I placed a metal medium. Hello, this is one plate, this one. One is plus plate, and the field separation is D1. Metal has a K equal to infinity. No?
Infinity.
Yes, sir.
So C dash will become how much?
Infinite.
Or one plate is plus plate, one plate is minus plate. These are connected by some resistance, or these are connected by what you call some metal wire. Then what happens? These are connected. Then charge will, whatever the charge you give it, keep on what you call close. Then capacity becomes in this case how much?
Infinite.
Completely filled with metal. Okay. Then you are increasing your oil, coconut oil, some other oil, rubber, some plastic material. Then you fill with what you call complete medium is metal. K is infinity. C dash is Kc. K is infinity. Its capacity means whatever the charge you'll give, it keep on carries. Got it?
Yes.
Now, this is completely filled or what you call connected by some resistance or metal wire if they are connected. Whatever the charge you give it, just it will bypass to the other plate, and whatever it will allow all the whatever the charge, it just bypasses the charge. That means it is allowing more charge. More allowing capacity is huge. Huge means infinity. Got it? Hello. Got it, Nana, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 minute now. Now what I'm doing is 1 minute now. Plus. No, I'm not filling the entire space. What do you call as this one? I'm filling a part that is called dielectric medium of constant K, having thickness how much D? The plate separation between the plates is D only. Plate has an area of cross section. This is also identical, same area, but separation about the thickness of the dielectric is not equal to D. It is small value T. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then what happens here means then, and please do remember where you are placing exactly middle close to plus plate or close to mine doesn't matter for us, independent of location of this what you call dielectric sheet. Where you are placing exactly, you are placing towards right region or left doesn't matter. That means as field inside what you call is sigma by is independent of the distance. Wherever you keep it, your choice is yours. But what happens is the potential difference V is potential difference in air medium plus potential difference in medium. How? You just recall Ohm's law. This is R1, this is R2. Current is flowing. A, B, C. What is the potential difference between these 2 points? Means I into R1 only, na?
Yes.
Yes.
These 2 points I into R2. Between these 2 points I into R1 plus I into R2. That means AB plus BC is AC only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, here what you call the potential difference between the plates of the capacitor is earlier no one is there. It is not that completely single medium from potential of plate A minus potential of, that is called potential difference between these 2 plates. Now it is some medium is there. You are allowing some medium. This is a different medium. So this is air medium. This is also air, but here is some different medium. Then how to do it is then I can rewrite that as if you want for my convenience. I'll take I can push it to the right or left for my convenience. This is K medium. This is completely D minus T is air medium. T is some medium. This is minus plus. Then potential difference delta V1 plus delta V2. Together is what you call potential difference total. Got it or not? Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Got it, Nana? Potential difference. Both are same.
Got it, sir.
This diagram, same. It is independent of location where you are keeping. Now, then we can say that the total potential difference is V across the medium plus V across air medium. V equal to ED, na? Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
E in the medium into thickness plus E in the air medium into air thickness. How much, Nana?
D minus T.
What is E in the air medium? Sigma by epsilon naught into D minus T only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Medium is there. Sigma by epsilon naught will become how much? Sigma by
K epsilon.
K epsilon. Then V equal to, I will common sigma by epsilon naught D minus T plus T by K. Got it? Then V equal to Q by epsilon naught A into D minus T plus T by K.
Yes,
This
sir.
one plus Q equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K into V only, na?
To be.
This is Q equal to C into V, na?
Yes.
Therefore, capacitance of A equal to became epsilon naught A by how much? D minus T plus this will be less than that of C of air. Got it?
Yes.
Hello. Got it now? Because K is greater than 1, then T by K is less than T, and D minus T plus adding a number less than T, then denominator is less than D only, no? Then A capacitance is epsilon naught A by D. Medium is epsilon naught A by a number less than D. Denominator decreased. Capacity got a
Increase.
increase. So completely filled is simple formula. What is completely filled? Epsilon naught A by D into K. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This everywhere done this one?
Done, sir.
Hello.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
See, you are keeping in
Once
the
can you
middle,
show?
or the right one, or the left, or here. Doesn't matter for us. Got it, Nana?
Got it.
This is
Yes.
done, everybody. This is also done, Nana, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir. Done. Yes, sir.
This one,
Sir, under metal, what did you write, sir?
where?
Under metal.
D.
This is D.
Not
Na?
that one, sir.
Huh?
Like the next diagram.
This one.
Yes, sir. The next one. The right side one under
Metal wire, Nana.
Fire.
Metal wire. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, are you bothered about location of this dielectric piece or independent of location? Doesn't matter. We keep left or right, doesn't matter. So what happens? You see what the difference? Completely filled becomes Kc, K times epsilon naught A by D. But a part is filled, then became how much? Epsilon naught A by D minus T plus
T
T
by
by.
Okay.
This everybody done?
So
Done.
one,
Hello.
so 1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
Copy Nana this one, everybody. Evening study hour is there 5 to 6.
Sanjay sir, it says.
Today check the timetable.
They didn't.
Today yours, sir.
Check the timetable. Bro.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Papa done this one, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You copy. See, air medium is sigma by epsilon. Medium is there sigma by K epsilon.
K epsilon.
If you're done, let me know.
And
So once can you show the previous page?
Done?
1 minute.
So the delta V1 plus delta V2 is equals to?
V. Total potential, this one here, Papa, this one.
Okay, okay. Yes,
V1 plus V2 is V. Okay?
yes, sir.
This everybody copied?
yes, sir.
Done on everybody?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. In this one, they will ask questions like this one. The direct thickness is introduced between the plates. But to restore the capacity got increased in
Yes, sir.
separation between the plates to be increased by dash. What is the meaning of this one? Without any dielectric and all, what is the capacity value you got?
Epsilon A by T.
Epsilon I by D. Because you done something, you introduce some person like this one, it became how much? This much only, no?
Yes, sir.
So C in air medium or simply C, simply C. You got how much? Epsilon naught A by D. Now C dash became how much? Epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K. Okay. C dash is greater than C only, na?
Yes, sir.
You introduce the dielectric capacity got increased. I don't want to increase the capacity. I want to restore my original capacity. So to restore the original capacity, what I have to do is there is no option for you. Increase the space by some distance. Then distance increase, capacity will decrease, na? So that it will again become equal to which capacity? Original capacity. Got it? That means you introduce this one, thickness, dielectric constant K, thickness T, then the separation is D. Now you are adding how much? Some extra. Then the plate was here, pushed, then it has to become. So what happened? The area is A and A only. You increase the separation from D to how much? D plus X. So that this has a capacity equal to C dash should become how much? C.
C.
Got it?
Yes.
Then therefore, what we will do? Epsilon naught A. Now, what is the air distance earlier? D minus T na?
Yes, sir.
Earlier.
Yes.
Yes.
Earlier. Don't count this part. You imagine like this one. Then medium is T. Then remaining air distance is D minus T only na?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you extra pushed. This is also air medium only na?
Yes.
Then what is the total distance? D
D
plus
plus
X is
X minus 2.
to be frankly air. But you occupied by which one?
T.
T.
Air. Then it becomes how much?
D
D minus T
plus X.
plus X plus T by K na?
T by K.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Should become epsilon naught A by D. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Therefore, X plus D by K minus t equal to 0 na? Or if you want to one more step, you write it here. D minus t plus t by k plus x equal to d. Therefore, x equal to t minus t by k na?
Yes.
Yes.
This much value you have to increase the plate separation. Then capacitance will become equal to original capacity.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nan, everybody?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Tell Nan.
So when can you show the previous page? I got disconnected, sir. So
Sir,
please do this also.
So, dielectric on thickness T is introduced here. Then to restore the capacity, separation between the plates to be increased by how much value? Got it?
got it. Sir, in the denominator, before the plus sign,
D minus T plus T by K was originally introduced it, then it became this one and this one, era.
no sign before the positive sign, it should always be the air distance, right?
This is air distance only, na?
For any condition, air distance is there.
D minus T is medium, ra. What is the remaining?
D minus T.
Got it?
Okay, got it.
Now, what is the total air actually?
D plus
Yes.
T plus X, but it is occupied by some medium of thickness.
T, sir.
T, then what is the original finally available air?
D minus T plus.
Or D plus X minus T, anything. Your
Yes.
choice is ours. Plus T by K. Got it?
Got it, sir.
So this much distance you have to increase the separation. Got it, everybody?
Yes.
Got it, sir.
Now, suppose, sir, why only one or two plates? One is plus plate, another is minus plate. Okay, I'll introduce what you call so many dielectrics in between them. So one is of T1, T2, T3, so on, like this one. Okay. So how many dielectrics will make it? So many dielectrics. Like one has K1, K2, K3, so on, Kn having a thickness T1, T2, so on. How much? Tn. Separation between the plates is how much? D. Then what is the capacity? Epsilon naught A by D minus of, what is the separation, so on, plus how much? Tn plus
T by K.
T1, so on, plus how much? Tn. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you introduced all these dielectrics, so many dielectrics are in between them. These are different mediums. The remaining some air gap is there. You introduce in such a way that if T1 plus T2 plus 1 plus Tn equal to D, what is the meaning? Instead of one single dielectric, you filled with so many dielectrics. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is minus plate there. Then how many dielectrics introduced? So many, so that they occupied everything, na? Then D equal to T1 plus T2 plus so on, Tn only, na? Got it? Then this is the capacitor. One is here plus, here is how much? Minus. Then capacity will become how much? Epsilon naught A by. What happened to this person?
0 plus 2.
0. Then remaining will be T1 by K1 plus so on. How much? Got it?
Yes. Sir, what is the difference in this one and the previous?
You check it out. So many introduced, but I have not done completely filled here. This is the logic you have to understand. Hello. Then this part will become 0, na?
Yes, sir.
Copy this. Remaining we'll see in the evening now. Okay.
Sir, can you please show the previous page?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
This page everybody done?
Sir,
Sir.
evening what time, sir?
Evening, what is the time for you?
I-
5 to
4 to 5.
No. What is our time? Check the timetable. No.
Actually, they didn't give study hours.
Sir, we didn't get any study hours.
Study hour timetables.
So then 4 to 5, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
4 to 5. Inform your friends also.
Yes, sir.
Inform in the group also. Somebody put message.
Sir, once can you show the next page?
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, Nana.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Bye.